somebody on one of the other videos that I posted with these, I was saying, what do you think this is? And they wrote, I think this is a poorly written problem. Agreed. Ugh, these order of operations problems, they always get people. So 100 divided by 4, parentheses 2 plus 3. It's cyclical, right? Keeps going through the cycle of people seeing these and like getting into arguments, but it boils down to just order of operations. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think this is? Hi, I'm Sarah. I have been a math and science teacher for 20 years, and I'm here to make math engaging and fun. If you are interested in tutoring sessions, or if you have questions or comments or anything like that, click the link and do the stuff. But you do want to follow order of operations, right? Now we can use PEMDAS, we can use GEMMA, right? There's all these different, well, I learned, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but that's a little bit tricky because using that PEMDAS, it kind of says like you should do multiplication, then division, which isn't always true, right? You should do multiply or divide left to right. You should do add or subtract left to right. Now this problem to me, again, is a poorly written problem because you don't know. Do they mean 100 divided by 4 times 5? Or do they mean 100 divided by 4 times 5? The way that it is written right here, what you would do is the first step is you would do 2 plus 3 because that's parentheses, right? Or if you do GEMMA, grouping. So we've got 5. So now multiplication or division, right? Left to right. So we would do 100 divided by 4, which is 25. And then we would do 25 times 5, which is 125. So if I wanted this to equal 5, how would I write that, right? How could I write this problem so it would force it to be 5? Right? Well, let's look at that. Because the way it's written, ooh, that's hard to say. The way it's written right now, you're gonna get 125. Let's look at how we would force this to equal 5. In order to do that, we gotta not use division, we gotta use a fraction bar. Because a fraction bar, while it is division, like the operation means division, it's also a grouping symbol. So if you have two things over like a fraction bar, you're gonna do, the last thing you're going to do is that fraction bar. The last thing you're gonna do is division, which goes against everything that you might think, okay? But a fraction bar is a grouping symbol. So if I wanted this to definitely equal 5, no matter who did the problem, I would put 100 on top divided by 4 times 2 plus 3. Because now I have this fraction bar, and that means that I've got this over this. So I need to finish this whole thing first, right? So in this case, now within that denominator space, I'm still going to do parentheses, right? You do it again, right? It's just PEMDAS again. So you do 2 plus 3, which is 5, times 4, which is 20, right? So this equals 100 over 4 times 5, which is 100 divided by 20. Which is 5. That one was really mathed up.